Mga kada, another singer-songwriter and music composer ang ating bida this Friday morning. Dati siya seaman, pero music industry na ang kinakareer na yon.
Abay, ano kaya ang dahilan niya from seaman to songwriter, no? Alamin natin yan mamaya mga kada. Sa ngayon, ay syempre pakinggan muna natin ang kanyang pag-awit na puno ng hugot at emosyon. Mga kada, para kantahin ang kanyang orihinal na kantang Padayon, Palakpakan, na may kasama pang sigawan para kay Alec Calata. Woo!
Masakit sa dugha, bawat ansang paglaom. Kung tani, kung balaan ko lang, ikaw gid ang akong salbaron. Maapti pro matindo gihapon, sigihon ang akong panlakaton. Kaupod ka sa dalanon, ikaw ang akong inspirasyon. Langoyon ko ang dagat, labuton ko ang handong, obrahon ko ang tanan, ako ang magapadayon. Taniyari ka sa akon. Sa subong na dinion, paghagos mo kinanganon, gagalunod sa kasubo, tani ako imong luwason. Mamutwag ag sigihon ang paglangoy, laon tati batyag ang kakapoy. Makidaan imong yumo, ikaw ang akong inspirasyon. Langoyon ko ang dagat, labuton ko ang handong, obrahon ko ang tanan, ako ang magapadayon. Taniyari ka sa akon, di ko mapunggan ang tagipusoon. Ikaw gid ang rason, sining ang bahanon. Ikaw gid ang rason, nga ako gabangon. Di ko mapunggan ang tagipusoon. Ikaw gid ang rason, sining ang bahanon. Ikaw gid ang rason, taniyari ka sa akon. Langoyon ko ang dagat, labuton ko ang handong, obrahon ko ang tanan, ako ang magapadayon. Kay diri ka sa akon, diri sa gihapon.
Wow! Alec!
Opo.
Natiri-ay kami doon sa backstage kasi napaka-romantic ng kanta mo.
Oh, thank you.
grabe
Mayong
naman ang
aga,
lyrics.
mga
Mayong
kada.
umaga at welcome
Yes.
back dito
Yes,
sa
it's good to
Welcome
be
back.
back,
Greet
Coach.
natin ang
And
arkada.
hello sa mga kada, mayong aga, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. I hope you're all having a great day.
Ayan. Tinatanong ko si Jasmine kanina, Alex. Sabi ko, Bisaya ba siya? Kasi padayon means
Padayon, yun nga po, it's Bisaya Iligayon word. It means
Oh.
magpatuloy.
magpatuloy.
Wow.
Yung tipong kahit sinaktan ka na, nireject ka, patuloy pa din ang buhay.
Patuloy sa pag-ibig.
Oh,
Kasi hindi naman kasalanan ng tao yun eh. Hindi yung kasalanan ng love. Kasalanan yun ng tao.
Ay, totoo yan.
Yes.
Just, di ba, hindi naman ang love ang nananakit, ang tao.
Mm-mm.
True.
So, balita
yes.
namin, seaman ka pala. Tapos ngayon, singer-songwriter. Paano? Bakit? Sino ang nanakit sa'yo?
Hindi naman ako sinaktan, pero kasi first love ko talaga yung music. Hindi ko siya namalayan when I was younger na mahilig ako doon. Hobby ko lang siya. Tapos doon, ngayon ko lang na-realize na okay, passion ko pala ang music.
So pwede pala yun, Just.
Wow.
Multi-talented kang tao.
So how long ago was this where you were a seaman
Ay.
tapos you transitioned into the music industry?
I was a cadet, on that
Cadet.
photo.
Okay.
I was
Seaman.
9 months there on board.
Wow.
And once lang po ako sumakay, and then yun nga po I feel like I don't belong sa seafaring industry. I feel like, mas gusto ko yung dito, on land, and even if I won't be pursuing music, I will be pursuing other things.
O, di ba? Na ano nga, ang hugot, grabing lalim ng hugot mo. Kasi
Yeah.
dun sa lyrics, di ba, sabi mo dun sa lyrics na na gagawin mo lahat, you're gonna
Yes.
cross the ocean.
Naiintindihan niyo po?
Yes, Bisaya,
Ay,
syempre.
Bisaya, wow! Ayun.
Bisaya.
Yes.
Diba? Iba ang hugot mo.
Ako naman, I'm from Iloilo, and Padayon po, it's a song produced by Sir Keith De Lieva. Happy
Ayan,
birthday po sa
hello
inyo.
po.
It's also recorded din sa Iloilo.
Sa
Kaya
Iloilo.
napaka-sentimental nito kasi it's a Hiligay Nun song, and yun yung gusto nating i-promote dito sa buong Pilipinas.
Correct.
And it was recorded sa Kada Records sa Cabatuan, Iloilo. Hello, Miss
Ayan.
Gia.
Wow,
Congratulations po.
galing.
Just, nakapunta ka na ba ng
Grabe.
Iloilo?
Not yet, but I have a lot of friends who are from Iloilo.
Iloilo.
So hopefully one day I can go
Yes, I
visit.
can tour you around. Iloilo.
Yes,
Kayo, coach. Kasama.
perfect. And also for the song, because it's so, like we said, we're discussing the lyrics kanina. Grabe, the hugot, the hurt. Where did that inspiration come from?
Life inspires me. Yun talaga.
Wow, galing.
Well, because Padayon is not just about love It's about going forward sa life, di ba? Kasi syempre yung buhay, minsan hindi naman tayo palaging masaya. Minsan may mga masasamang nangyayari. Pero ang importante, we don't let those problems bring us down, but rather we use it as a motivation for us to keep on moving forward.
Wow.
Life goes on, tama po.
Talaga, ang sarap nung thought na kahit anong mangyari, hindi lang sa love.
Yes.
Pati sa buhay,
Yes.
tuloy-tuloy pa din.
Tuloy pa rin.
Ganyan dapat mga
Laban
kada.
lang.
Tsaka may sinasabi ka, di ba, yung expression nyo sa...
Yes, yung expression namin sa Iloilo,
Paano
sa
nga yun?
mga Ilonggo, kahit na masama yung nangyari, may positive expression kami like
Like?
sa Diagini, wala naman ta kwarta, way ta kanoon sa bunga gabi.
Oh, hulaan
Wow.
ko ha.
Okay, sige po.
Kahit wala kang pera at walang kakainin sa gabi,
Mm-mm.
push lang.
Yes, tama.
Wow. Okay,
Ganon.
English version. Even if you don't have a lot in life, push lang.
Push lang.
Parang masaya to. Wala, parang yung bang masama na yung nangyari, pero yung approach ng mga Ilonggo is positive. Masaya to, wala na
ganda.
naman tayong makakain.
Ay, grabe.
Ayun, parang ganon.
It takes a whole new level kada umaga ng mga kada ng positivity. Yung
Yes.
tipong,
Yes.
ang daming masakit, nakakagutom na nangyari sa'yo, pero push lang. Kasi baka bukas may blessing,
May blessing
na dadating.
naman. Yun naman
Ayan.
dapat, na let's pray na, may maibibigay na blessing sa atin sa araw na
True.
darating.
And yes, of course, this song is also one of many original songs that you have upcoming.
Yes po.
So, can you tell us what else you have in store?
I have a lot of songs. I've written more than 20 songs already.
Wow. Puro Bisaya ba? O may mga English,
Mostly
Tagalog?
po, kasi I actually started writing Hiligay Nun songs talaga. Tapos ngayon lang ako, nung pumunta ako ng Manila, dun po ako sumulat ng Tagalog song. It's because Tagalog audience, nagpapakilala pa lang po. But this time, I'm happy na I'm singing ang Hiligay Nun song. Kasi parang napapakita ko po kung sino ako, na isa akong Ilonggo, at kung ano yung
Proud.
values ko as a person through that song.
Absolutely. And you're doing your province a favor kasi kahit yung mga listeners, curious, ano ba ibig sabihin nun para magets nila yung kanta mo?
Yes.
So, where can we find you, Alec? Gusto pa namin makinig ng mga hiligay nun songs.
Yes,
Where on
I
social
hope you
media?
follow me on all my social media platform, Alec Calata, on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And also po, we will have a show tomorrow sa Cabiao, Nueva Ecija, Lakeside Cafe. Abangan niyo po kami dyan, Love Songs and Laughter. And also, we will be in Calambao, Laguna in Feb 26.
And also sa Outstanding Men and Women sa Music Museum. Happy birthday, Sir Richard Quinola. And thank you as well to Sir Don Cristobal for my
For the
attire.
outfit. Yes, we're sure Arcada will for sure follow you to keep up to date with all of your upcoming ganaps. But of
Sana po,
course,
sana.
we cannot just have one song from you, Alex. So mga kada, hindi pa siya tapos. Because we have Alec once again to sing With a Smile by Eraserheads. Give it up once more for Alec Calata.
Thank you. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all the doors and they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. You'll get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In our world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and this song. In our world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and this song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears. Goodbye. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. With a smile, with your smile.
Let's get together. Sunday at 25. Sunday at 25.